Welcome to Decoded. Ever heard of immediately invoked function expressions? It's a powerful JavaScript trick. Let's break it down. An immediately invoked function expression, IIFE, is a function that runs as soon as it's defined. Syntax looks like this. Immediately invoked function expressions help creating a local scope, preventing variables from polluting the global scope. Useful for encapsulating code, especially in libraries or modules. IIFEs can also accept arguments. IIFEs are often used in combination with arrow functions for concise code. They are often used in initializing variables or executing code that should run immediately but stay isolated. IIFEs may look tricky, but they're just a clever way to create isolated blocks of code. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more JavaScript facts.